Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix error 1053. The service did not respond to the start or control request. Okay, so we're going to fix that. Now, the first thing that you will need to do is to go to your search bar and type out CMD and then click on Run as Administrator. Okay, and then here type out Nets 1 sec reset and then click on Enter. Okay, so right after that, type out ipconfig space slash renew. Then click on enter. Okay, so you will then just have to wait for a few seconds. Okay, that's right. And then finally, you can close this one. Then go to your files and go to this PC and then go to your storage. Now click on the Windows folder and then look for the software distribution folder and then click on it. Okay, this one. And then right click the data store. Okay, and then click on delete. So after deleting this folder, you have to close it and then restart your PC. Okay. Now for our next method is go to the search bar again and type out CMD and then click on Run as Administrator. And then here, you will have to type out SFC space slash scan now. Okay, right after clicking on enter, you'll be able to see this one. And then here, type out dism.exe slash online slash cleanup dash image slash restore health. Okay, don't forget the space after each word. Okay, so just type it thoroughly so you'll be able to get the right command. Okay, so just wait for a few seconds again. Okay, and then right after that, until it finished to 100%, you're good to go. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.